Good morning, guys. Today we will learn about physical changes. So let's start. Wait for some times. Let me on the screen.
Hello. Okay, I can see some students coming in. Hello. Okay, I can see some students coming in. Hello, Vedanshi. Okay, we have a few right now. Okay, hello, good evening, Jatin. Uh huh. Hello, Devansh. Hello, Om. Mm-hmm. Hi, hello. Hello, Brinda. Hello, Shashwat. I'm good, Shashwat. How are you doing? Hello, Akanksha, Arnav. Hello, Deksha. Hello, Laksha. Hello, Aradhya. Hello, Pranav. Hello, Misbah. Hello, Adya. Hello, Vibhanshu. Hello, Diksha. Daksha. Uday. Good evening, Dhrutikant. Hello, hi. I'm doing good, Pranav. Shambhavi, hi. Akanksha, Arika, Laksha. Rank competition. Anyone? Laksha wants a rank competition. Anyone? Ma'am, who's your favorite Harry Potter character and why? My favorite Harry Potter character is Neville Longbottoms. Okay, Aniket, Vibhanshu. My day was really very good. Akanksha, Aniket, Shraddha, Laksha, Pranav, Anish. Hello, good evening. Kanika, Uday, Shaurya. Okay. Hi, younger brother is also interested in the class. Okay, Shashwat. Okay, today we are going to do something very exciting. So for that, what I want you to do is, I want you to get a strip of paper. This can be any paper. See, I have taken the normal notebook wala jo paper hota na. I have taken that paper. And you need to have a sketch pen and you need to have a little bit of water. Alright, see water इतना ही लिया है मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिया है ठीक है इतना सा ही पानी हमको चाहिए Okay, so everyone, if you all can get this. Good evening. Yes, we are going to do Pranav. Right, right, right. We are going to do the same thing. Okay. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, and Arika, we are going to do the same thing. नहीं मैंने बुक का पेज नहीं क्लियर किया है सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज एवरी ईयर आई यूज अ लॉट ऑफ नोटबुक बिकॉज आई राइट अ लॉट तो जो नोटबुक जो है वो या तो ऐसा होता है कभी कि आपने बहुत सारे लिख लिया पीछे से थोड़े से पेज निकल गए तो मैं उसका पेज निकाल के आई डिस्कार्ड द नोटबुक तो वहां पेज के स्टैक से ही मैंने निकाला है Please reply me my challenge. Okay, Lakshya, somebody wants to challenge you. This is Sai Ashish who wants to challenge you. All right. Yes, this topic is easy, and that is why I have to make it more interesting for you. क्योंकि usually क्या होता है ये चीज मेरा personal findings with students है. Students are take these physical changes, these easy topics so granted that they actually make mistakes in the easy topic only. Old notebook, yes. Okay, somebody. Good evening, Athar. Yashasvi, hello. Aniket has a English exam tomorrow. Okay, Vibhanshu, repeat the material. Okay, a strip of paper, a sketch pen. You can also take a normal gel pen भी ले सकते हैं, and a little glass of water. थोड़ा सा ही होना चाहिए उसमें water, ठीक है. Remember, this strip of water has to be very long होना चाहिए. And you have these recycled notebook, right? Anybody who uses recycled notebook? Yes, Manvi. Yes, so recycle notebook का पेपर होगा तो और अच्छा होगा. Misbah, all right. Om, Priyanshu. Summer vacation started, Akansha party. All right. My brother is only 5 months old and he is interested in class art and sitting on my lap. Oh, Shambhavi, 5 months year old should not be looking at the screen. Not good. So it's okay. आप पीछे बिठा दो स्क्रीन के और आप एनिमेट करो उसको, ठीक है. Ma'am, eighth grade has not even started for me, Vedika. That's great, no? You're already ahead. Jigyan, Shalo Mahi Priya, I read in that school. I didn't get you. अरे अभी अभी नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ समर वेकेशन. विभांशु ओके. शौर्य मैम माई 2 months हॉलीडे स्टार्टेड. ये कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन मैम. पीडब्ल्यू क्लासेस में क्या हो गया? समर वेकेशन होंगे क्या? ये आप अपने मेंटर्स से पूछिए सृष्टि. ऑल राइट, ओके. क्या हुआ? मैम इन माई स्कूल एनुअल फंक्शन इज इन द मंथ ओनली एंड वी गेट ऑल फ्री पीरियड्स. अभी एनुअल फंक्शन? आई थॉट एनुअल फंक्शन यूजुअली एंड में होता है. ओके अंशिका, टुमारो इज प्राइज डे. आई गॉट बेस्ट इन मैथ्स. दैट्स ग्रेट. अब ये क्या हो गया है? हु एल्स इज अप फॉर पोल कंपटीशन? बाप रे, यहाँ अलग ही चल रहा है पोल कंपटीशन. मैम क्लास शुरू होगी कहाँ कहाँ कौन सा? व्हाट इज द टाइम? आई हैव टू सी. नहीं, अभी भी 3 मिनट बाकी है. ओके, देवांश का वेकेशन कल से है एंड उदय ऑलराइट. आर समर वेकेशन पीडब्ल्यू का कोर्स आगे चलेगा. पीडब्ल्यू का फिर स्कूल से मुझे. ओके, ऑलराइट. माय हॉलीडे स्टार्टेड टुमारो. ओके, मोहम्मद इफ्रा says Karanjeet sir. I'll let him know. I won 2 Olympiad medals today. That's great, Ayush. मैम अब आमी भालो अच्छी. प्रशित, शिक्षा, सिद्धि मैम मेरा ऑलरेडी समर वेकेशन. ऑल राइट. वैभव, पल्लवी, किंजल, माही, तुम्हारा तो नाम ही नहीं था. लक्ष्य, क्या हुआ? विभांशु, व्हाट हैपेंड? ओके, उदय मैम योर फेवरेट फूड? माय फेवरेट फूड इज अ बंगाली फूड कॉल्ड पांता भात. एनी बंगालीज हियर विल नो. ओके, गर्मियों में इट इज समथिंग दैट आई लव. ओके, आई हैव बीन yesterday's challenge. All right. My mother is a Bengali. Okay, माही. आम पन्ना. आम पन्ना मैंने कभी खाया नहीं है, किया नहीं है, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता हाउ आम पन्ना. We had DM order for summer vacation. Ah, he gave too many holidays. Good, no, Jigyansh. Rasgulla. Yes, I love Rasgulla as well. Do you eat seafood? No, I'm a vegetarian. Okay, cold coffee. Yes, cold coffee I eat. My vacation have started. That's great. Okay, your mother tongue. My mother tongue is Bengali, but I can speak English and Hindi as well. लोग कहते हैं मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. मेरे बंगाली से ज़्यादा बेटर है मेरी हिंदी, बट आई कैन स्पीक ऑल द 3 लैंग्वेजेस. ओके मैम, ग्लास ट्रांसपेरेंट लेना है. आप लोग चाहे तो ग्लास ट्रांसपेरेंट मत लीजिए, बट इफ इट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट इट विल बी बेटर. ओके, आई एम ईटिंग बटर सैंडविच. ओ, आई लव बटर. आकांक्षा से स्पीक बंगाली की बोलबो बांग्लाते. All right, favorite color. My favorite color is yellow. Yellow, yellow. Sweet fellow. Okay. All right, everyone. So let us start with our class. It's already 8:15. I hope everybody have this strip and this, sketch pen. Can be of any color. Can be of any color. Okay. I just hope. All right. Now what you're going to do is you are going to shuru se hi karte because this is going to take some time. All right. What you're going to do is you're going to take the sketch pen and you are going to put a dot here. बड़ा सा लगाना and थोड़ा ऊपर लगाना है, ओके, नीचे नहीं लगाना है, ऊपर के साइड लगाना है। एंड सी योर वाटर लेवल, वाटर में स्केच पेन का जो मार्क है वो डिप नहीं होना चाहिए, ओके, ऑलराइट, ओके, चलिए। सो लेट अस पुट अ नाइस एंड प्रॉपर मार्क। See, I have put a nice and proper mark like this. Okay, chromatography is going to work. ठीक है, बहुत लोग बोल रहे it is not going to work. No, it's not like that. But chromatography is going to work if instead of water you take something else like silica gel. लेकिन अभी सिलिका जेल हमारे पास नहीं है तो हम वाटर से ही काम चलाएंगे. So what we are going to do is we are going to dip the paper in water, but please make sure that the water does not touch the mark. All right, and we will keep this. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, I'll keep this aside for some time. I'll keep this aside for some time, and we are going to see it at the end of the class कि कहाँ तक हुआ, क्या हुआ और कहाँ तक हुआ. ठीक है, at the end of the class. ठीक है. Okay. Okay, silica gel क्या होता है? Silica gel is a liquid which is non-polar in nature. अब ये non-polar क्या आप मुझसे पूछोगे तो अभी आप लोग छोटे हो, बच्चास for non-polar and polar. ठीक है, थोड़े दिनों बाद आपको पता चल जाएगा what is polar and what is non-polar. ठीक है. Yes, paper is going to polar bear नहीं विभांशु. All right. Okay. All right. So today we are going to talk about physical changes. But before that, I want to know किस किसने वीडियो देखा, जो वीडियो मैंने बना के दिया था. नहीं, किसी ने नहीं देखा. You did not get the video? No? You people didn't get the video? Okay. चलिए, तो अभी जो है आपके मेंटर टीचर ये वीडियो आपको फॉरवर्ड करेंगे थोड़ी देर में. I want you to please look at the video. ठीक है. After looking at the video, do let me know. Did you like it or not? You did not get it at all. That is sad. All right. Okay, everyone. So let us start with today's class. So today's class starts with certain rules. आज के class में you have to sit with your notebook. Please have your pencil and notebook with you. नहीं हुआ तो सबको पता है. ठीक है. Avoid spamming in the chat box. All right. Please send your activities to your mentor teacher. आज मैं ये activity देने वाली हूँ. Please send it to your mentor teacher and raise your hand in case you want to ask any question. समझी गई? All the Gopi Vaus in the class? Yes. समझी गई? All right. Very good. Brinda, Kanika, Riya, Athar, Sai, Laksha, Shrishti. Okay, we have two Shrishtis in the class. Mrinal, Shaurya, Sai, Arijit, Manvi, Yaj. Very good. Pratyusha, Misbah, Shri, Sai. Very good. So we have 4 rules. Last वाला rule सबसे important है. We are going to take all the raised hands at the end of the class. And now we start with our class. तो सबसे पहला पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन ये है कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ चेंजेस. चेंजेस हर जगह होता है. लाइक when you are a small little baby, you are cute. Has anyone ever seen a newborn baby? Newborn, बिल्कुल नया नया, brand new, 1 day, 2 day. Afia, Trisha, Yaj, Mrinal, Krishna, Anika, Avi, Kanika, Manya, Mrinal, Daksha, Nuha. Yes. A newborn little kid. आपको कैसा दिखता है वो? How do you like a newborn जैसा दिखता है? Cute? No. Spongy. Yeah. So when a baby is newborn, it is very thin and lean. Okay. but then धीरे धीरे when it gets, it grows, it becomes goplu like me. All right. And then as a baby hits 3 years, okay, it again starts getting lean, losing weight and getting lean. And then again they start gaining weight once they are say 12, 13. क्यूट है, पर लगता है क्योंकि दे आर वेरी डेलिकेट, या राइट. सो दीज आर चेंजेस. जैसे अभी वैशाली मैम इज गेटिंग ओल्ड, तो बाल जो है यहाँ से पूरे निकल गए हैं, दिस इज चेंज. ओके, बाल जो है दैट इज गेटिंग वाइट, दिस इज चेंज. ऑल राइट. सो देर आर मेनी चेंजेस अराउंड अस, बट पते की बात ये है कि कैन यू रिवर्स द चेंजेस, और द चेंजेस आर परमानेंट. ठीक है, अब वो चेंजेस जो है वो रिवर्स नहीं हो सकते. हम उस बारे में पढ़ेंगे. देन वी आर गोइंग टू talk about one of the changes, that is physical changes, and at last we are going to talk about the characteristic of physical changes. ठीक है. No ma'am, change is permanent. क्या? What? Okay, yes, physical changes are permanent, can be reversed, and chemical cannot be. Not always, Abhi, actually. Not always. Okay. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चलो एग्जाम्पल बाद में लेंगे, पहले तो देख लेते हैं कि फिजिकल चेंजेस होते क्या है. ठीक है, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एवरीबडी लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन दैट इज गोइंग टू फॉलो दिस. बाद में नहीं बोले मैम चीटिंग किया आपने. आई एम पहले से स्टैट्यूटरी वार्निंग. इफ यू आर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द क्वेश्चन. ऑलराइट. ओके, चलिए. फिजिकल चेंजेस क्या होते हैं? फिजिकल चेंजेस आर यूजुअली टेम्पररी चेंजेस, नॉट ऑलवेज. ओके, फिजिकल चेंजेस आर टेम्पररी चेंजेस. द न्यू सब्सटेंस इज formed in physical change. So no new, the nahi, no new. A new substance is not formed. Now, my personal suggestion to you all is, इसी point को याद रखो. ऑल राइट, इस पॉइंट को उतना ज्यादा याद मत रखो. दिस इज द पॉइंट दैट यू ऑल शुड रिमेंबर ऑलवेज, कि फिजिकल चेंज में नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज गेटिंग फॉर्म. ठीक है, नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म. द केमिकल कंपोजिशन ऑफ द ओरिजिनल substance remains the same. अब न्यू सब्सटेंस फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या है? केमिस्ट्री इज बीइंग द सेम. देयर कैन बी चेंज इन कलर, शेप, size, state, solid से liquid, liquid से gas, but it can still be a physical change. ठीक है, हमें बस इतना ध्यान रखना है कि chemical composition जो है बस वो change ना हो. Understood, Athar? Does mass change? Yes, it does, Shrihan. Mass can also change. Understood, everyone? Python का क्या हो गया यहाँ? Okay. Yeah, right now Python, I love Python. Arnav, pay attention. Okay. सबको समझ में आ गया? समझ में आ गया? Should I ask you a question? Should I ask you a question? All right. Okay, चलिए. Let me ask you a question. Everybody pay attention. बाद में कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि मैम this was not right. Pay very minute attention. Question is, squeezing of lemon. Squeezing of lemon is a physical change. Is a physical change. Be true. Sorry. Be true. And A false. Everybody pay attention. This is a trickster question. A trickster question. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. and the time is up. जरा बताइए कौन कौन ट्रिक में आया है? Who? How many of you fell for the trick? Everyone in the chat box. Haha! Haha! Fell for the trick. मैम तो नहीं है, हम तो नहीं है. अच्छा, ओके, ऑल राइट, ओके. इसलिए मैंने बोला था पे अटेंशन. द राइट आंसर इज फॉल्स एंड इट शुड बी ए. So, the right answer is false and it should be A. So, only a very few of you could answer this correctly. ठीक है? I will not put this in the leaders board क्योंकि it is not fair कि बिल्कुल शुरू में ही आप leaders board से बाहर हो जाए. So, I am deleting the poll. Okay? But इससे भी ज़्यादा trickster question आने वाला है at the end. So, pay attention. Okay, the right answer is it is false, right? No, यहाँ भी सब yes 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 कर रहे हैं. It is true. It is true. The answer is true. Squeezing of lemon is a physical change. Understood? It is a physical change. देखो मैंने false बोला, सबने yes 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 करना चालू कर दिया. It is a physical change. समझ में आया? So pay attention now. सबका दिमाग खुल गया है? जिसको भी नींद आ रही थी आ गए हैं वापस? Yes? Okay, लीडर्स बोर्ड में क्या करना है बाबा? Okay, all right. चलिए अब जो क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले हो I'll be putting it in leaders board. Everybody pay attention. All right? Tearing of paper. Tearing of paper. Okay? A. Physical change. B. Chemical change. Physical change and B. Chemical change. जल्दी से. Okay, I'm sorry. Just give me 1 second. Yes. You're going to get only 10 seconds for this. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. All right. 20, 21, 22, 15 दे रही हूँ मैं and the time is up. All right. Okay. Let's see. First is Sai, second is Mahi, third is Jatin. Congratulations. Fourth is Sai, fifth is Dhrutakant, sixth is Om, seventh is Veer, eighth is Ankit, ninth is Virat, and 10th is Soham. Congratulations. The right answer is it is a physical change. Okay, everyone. एक और क्वेश्चन करें. क्यों यामिया? श्रीहन, रिया, ओके, स्वरगी, ऑलराइट, शांभवी, साई, उदय, दीक्षा, श्रद्धा, श्रेया, मिसबा, ट्यूलिप. Okay, all right, just wait. The next question. Burning of candle. Burning, ये वाला word ध्यान से पढ़ना है. Of candle. Candle. Is this a physical change or B, a chemical change? It is not melting, it's burning of candle. Burning, all right? Okay. It's not melting, it's burning of candle. Very good. Very good. 15 seconds everyone. 15 seconds में मैं ये poll बंद करने वाली हूँ. And the time is up. Let's see some results. Dhrutikanta is first, second is Soham, third is Brinda. Congratulations. Fourth is Sai, fifth is Sai Pratyash. Okay, we have two Sai. Sai Ashish and Sai Pratisha. 6 में है ओजस्वी, 7 में भी है दिशा, 8 में भी है अंशिका, 9 में we have Navika, and 10 में we have Om. Congratulations. Now comes a little difficult question. The question that I'm going to ask you is a little bit difficult. So सोच के आंसर करना है, ठीक है? Melting or sublimation of camphor. A. Physical change. B. Chemical change. Sublimation of camphor. Physical change or chemical change. पूरा 30 सेकेंड दे रही हूँ so that you people can understand and then answer. Okay. And the time is up. Okay. Let's see. Dhrutikant is first, second is Sai, third is Soham. Congratulations. Fourth में we have Sai Pratisha, fifth में Brinda, sixth में Ramit, seventh में Arnav, eighth में Ayush, ninth में Laksha, and 10th में we have Ojasvi. Congratulations. It is a physical change. ये जो है ना, हम लोग पढ़ते हैं द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिपोजिशन. सब्लिमेशन जो होता है इट इज डायरेक्टली व्हाट इज सब्लिमेशन? व्हाट इज सब्लिमेशन? एवरीवन इन द चैट बॉक्स. मानवी, प्रणव, वेरी गुड. दिव्या, यशस्वी, कृष्णा, साइद, श्रेया, रमित, आद्री, अर्णव, सृष्टि, साई, देवांश, साइदा, लक्ष्या. 9 क्या होता है लक्ष्या? कृष्णा, प्रशित, वैभवी, बृंदा, वेरी गुड. विराट, ओके, ऑल राइट. जय, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. ठीक है. All right, it is a physical change. All right, it is a physical change क्योंकि sublimation का उल्टा deposition. So all the fumes of camphor can be cooled down to make it solid again. उसे deposition कहते हैं. Understood? So it is a physical change. समझ में आ गया सबको physical change? यहाँ state change हो गया था. यहाँ solid से we got a gas, but it is still a physical change. Yes? All right. Okay, so let's see the most important physical change that we have in our day-to-day life. Anybody who can tell me whom am I imitating? You don't know? Okay. No. Water freezing. Some Karen. Actually, Jinesh got it right. You got it right. Okay. All right. American Karen. All right. Okay. ठीक है चलिए. Water turns to ice. This is a classical physical change. ठीक है. जहां क्या क्या चेंज हो जाता है? सबसे पहला चेंज तो we know that state changes, right? Freezing happens. Shrishti, Yagna, Bhumi, Manvi, Vibhanshu, Vinayak, Yamya, okay, Swarangi, Aditya, Manya, Ayush, Uday, very good. The state changes. What else changes? Liquid to solid hota hai. What else changes? Volume. Actually, yes, you can say density changes. Density changes, temperature changes, shape changes, very good. There is one more thing that changes. Color, very good. Who said color? Somebody said color. Sanskriti, very good. Tanaz, yes. Manya, Devisha, Ahan. What is this name? Nice little name. Kirti something. Okay, ये रहा. Kirti Meghla. All right. Namrata, yeah, color changes. ठीक है. The color also changes sometimes. Okay. Understood. Intermolecular forces changes, of course, because liquid to solid. Okay. So what exactly happens? What happens is interconversion of states of matter is a physical change. If something goes from solid to liquid or liquid to solid, it is usually physical change. Usually. ठीक है. बाद में नहीं बोले मैम चीटिंग, दिस इज चीटिंग. थोड़ा सा खुद का भी दिमाग लगाना है. ऑल राइट. जो मैं क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ इसके बाद मैं उसके लिए आप लोगों को वार्निंग दे रही हूँ. Example is ice changes to water, but when we again melt it, sorry, ice changes to water, but again we freeze it, it goes back to ice. ठीक है. Chemical composition of water does not change. That is why it is a physical change. And water can do the same thing with gas as well. ठीक है. Same thing with gas as well. Yaj, put it in the chat box, please. ठीक है. Can I give you a question now? Yes. Yes, yes. If you have a doubt, please put it in the chat box. Jaldi se, I'm giving you only 1 minute. If you have any doubt, please put it in the chat box so that before this question, I can. How color? Okay. Water is colorless, but many a times ice is white in color. Okay. All right. Riya ने ये answer पूछा था. Okay. All right. Can't get you last slide. Okay. Doubt is equals to no. I don't have any doubt. Okay. पूर्वी सीआईडी. मोहम्मद इफराज, आजकल ये क्या देख रहे हो तुम? What should I explain, शौर्य? फिर से एक बार बताइए. If you have a doubt, please put it in the chat box. Put it in the chat box. I'm giving you only one. Yeah, it can be. Previous slide. Okay, ये लो previous slide में चले गए. और कितना previous जाना है? Second last slide. ये लो second last slide में चले गए. Melting yaj is a physical change because if you melt iron, if you again cool it down, it is going to harden. But if you put carbon in it and steel ban jata hai, then it's a chemical change. What? I didn't get you, ma'am. Why it can be white to blue? It can be blue to red. Huh? नहीं समझ आया. Please note it down. I'll ask it at the end of the class. Jigyans, there is a gas which separates into two upon heating, and upon cooling the gas is obtained back. I don't know what gas you are talking about. Okay. Melting is not a chemical change, everyone. Melting is not a chemical change. Yes, it does burning. It can be obtained back. Alright. Okay. Alright, everyone. So let us start with this poll. Okay? Everyone, be ready. Alright. Boiling of egg. एग का योक लिक्विड रहता है. योक भी लिक्विड ही रहता है एंड द एल्ब्यूमिन इज आल्सो लिक्विड. बॉईल करने से वो हार्ड हो जाता है. इज इट ए अ फिजिकल चेंज और बी अ केमिकल चेंज? दिस इज अ रियल टेस्ट ऑफ योर ब्रेन. आई होप यू पास. आई विल टेक अ लुक. This is going good. Good, nice. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. And the time is up. Okay, let's see. Dutikanta is first, second is Sai Ashish, third is Sai Pratyusha. Congratulations. All right. Fourth is Mahi, fifth is Sahas, sixth is Brinda, seventh is Daksha, eighth is Grantik, ninth is Arnav, and 10th is Disha. Congratulations. All right, so the right answer is it is a chemical change. Many of you have ticked on physical change क्योंकि आपने ये पढ़ा है कि कन्वर्जन ऑफ वन स्टेट टू अनदर इज अ फिजिकल चेंज, लेकिन मैंने आपको बोला इट इज यूजुअली अ फिजिकल चेंज। इस केस में अंडा हार्ड तो हो जाता है, प्रोटीन भी तो चेंज हो जाता है ना अंडे का, द केमिस्ट्री चेंजेस। यस साहस, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड लॉजिक। यज ओके मैम, वी आर वेज। आर्यन, मैं भी वेजिटेरियन हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पता है अंडा बॉईल करने से अंडा है। आर्यन नाइस एक्सक्यूज कि मैंने गलती क्यों की। मम्मी बोलेगी आर्यन बेटा तुमने इतना आसान सवाल गलत कर दिया। आर्यन बोले मम्मी मुझे क्या पता, मैं तो वेजिटेरियन है। अंडे का फंडा, हाँ चलो, एवरीबडी गॉट इट। या Alrighty, तो चलिए let us do some actual polls. Now ये जो actual polls वाले हैं ना, I'm going to give you only 10 seconds. These are फटाफट poll. So we are going to have only 10 seconds. I am not going to read the question for you. You have to read the question and answer it. You're going to get 10 seconds to read the question, 10 seconds to answer the question. ठीक है? Done, everyone? चलिए, your 10 seconds to read the question starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let us start with our poll. Which of the following is true about physical change? A new substance is formed, the chemical composition is, and the time is up. All right. So the right answer to this question is, पहले result देख लेते हैं. First is Jatin, second is Dhrutikant, third is Sai Ashish. Congratulations. Fourth is Soham, fifth is Sai Pratyusha, sixth is Yaj, seventh is Shaurya, eighth is Swadesha, ninth is Veer, and 10th is Arnav. Congratulations. All right. So question was very easy. If you have a physical change, तो physical change के बारे में 4 sentences है. Which of them is true? तो 3 तो गलत होंगे, एक सही होगा. New substance is formed, गलत. Chemical composition of the substance is changed, गलत. Only the physical properties like color, shape, and size changes, sahi. The substance changes into another substance permanently, galat. All right. So the right answer is option C. Chaliye. Next question. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Sorry, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, and your poll starts now. 10 seconds. Very good. And the time is up. All right. So, Jatin is first, second is Dhrutikant, third is Aditya again. Congratulations. Fourth is Soham, fifth is Rudran, sixth is Om, seventh is Brinda, eighth is Ramit, ninth is Ritik, and 10th is Priyanjali. Congratulations. Alright, so the right answer to this question is water changes state from liquid to gas and then back to liquid. ठीक है, अगर वाटर को बॉईल करेंगे फिर कूल करेंगे तो क्या होगा? पहले स्टीम होगा, फिर स्टीम को जैसे ही कूल करेंगे वो वापस से लिक्विड बन जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? यस. Okay, Swarangi, Rumit, Shreya, Sai, Arika, Shrishti, Navika, Manya, Misbah. All right. How many of you, how many questions are done in the leaders board? 6. And how many of you got 6 out of 6? Aniket, ये सारे 4 और 5 जो लिख रहे हैं ना सब late comers. Yes. Okay, 6 out of 6. Shriddhi, Mohammed, Vanya, Mrinal, Shraddha, Saksham, Soham, Arav, Sai, and Anshika, Amrit. Where is Tanmay, Dhrutikant, Shrishti, Ranik? Where is Anish? Anish, आपके तो कोई यहाँ दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं मुझको चैट में। आप गुम हो जाते हो। हाँ, अनीश मिला है मुझको, 6 out of 6। ऑल राइट, ओके। यज, ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट। यहाँ तक सब समझ में आ गया? सब समझ में आ गया? ओके, ठीक है। ऑल राइट, एक और क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, क्विक क्वेश्चन। टीयरिंग ऑफ पेपर, ऑफ पेपर, ए रिवर्सिबल, बी irreversible? जल्दी से, you're going to get only 10 seconds. Oh, sorry. Dosto, I am sorry. Okay. Alrighty. And the time is up. Many of you have written irreversible. ये कैसे हो गया? रिवर्सिबल होता है भाई टीयरिंग ऑफ पेपर। होता है। See, this is a paper. Everybody can see this paper. Yes, पेपर है, टीयर किया, टीयर किया, टीयर किया। यस, राइट, राइट। आपके सामने टीयर किया ना, राइट? ओके, यस, irreversible. I don't know why you said it is irreversible. It is very much reversible. नकली पेपर क्या होता है? It's not fake paper. Yeah, चलो, खैर, I will have to delete this poll. I have nothing to do, so I will be deleting this poll. Okay. Yes, it is. It is. It is. It is irreversible. I just tricked you people. ठीक है? All right, ठीक है। ये वाला क्वेश्चन मैंने ऑलरेडी पूछ लिया था। There was no point putting this in the poll. All right, चलिए। The last thing that we are going to talk about, and then we are going to start with our देने का तरीका हुआ। मैम, विभांशु, हर चीज में पैनिक अटैक क्यों आता है आप लोगों को? अभी और भी मिलेंगे आपको पोल, डोंट वरी। ओके मैम, प्लीज डू द मैजिक अगेन, बिकॉज मैंने वो वाला क्वेश्चन आप लोगों से पहले पूछ लिया था। टेयरिंग ऑफ पेपर वाला क्वेश्चन पहले ही पूछ लिया था ना। ये तो मैंने जस्ट आपको ये ट्रिक दिखाने के लिए मैंने यूज किया ये वाला। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? ऑलराइट, ओके एवरीवन। वोल्टामोर्टिना, व्यान, I like the name, मैम वोल्टामोर्टिना, the woman who should not, नहीं क्या था, the one who should not be named। oh, मैं भूल कैसे गई ये वाला। okay, I chase after Harry Potter. No, all right. Okay, all right, everyone. Let's come back. Okay, characteristic of physical changes. ठीक है, let's see what are characteristics of physical changes. Very easy. यही इकलौता क्वेश्चन आएगा आपको। दो टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं। Which of the following is a physical change? एक सिनेरियो दे दिया जाएगा, इज इट अ फिजिकल चेंज, या लिस्ट डाउन टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ फिजिकल चेंज। वेरी इजी पीजी लेमन स्क्वीजी, कोई लोड नहीं है बिल्कुल भी। ठीक है, ओके, तो चलिए। एम आई नॉट ऑडिबल? एम आई नॉट ऑडिबल? नो, आई एम नॉट ऑडिबल। Yes. All right. ओके, इफ यू पीपल बी गुड बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, तो मैं लास्ट में आपको ये मैजिक सिखाऊंगी, ठीक है? मैं लास्ट में आपको मैजिक सिखाऊंगी, ओके? ऑलराइट, ठीक है। चलिए, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फिजिकल चेंजेस। देयर आर सर्टेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फिजिकल चेंजेस व्हिच आर वेरी बेसिक, वेरी इजी। सबसे पहला जो मैंने इंपॉर्टेंट बोला था, नो न्यू सब्सटेंस आर फॉर्म, जिसके वजह से द केमिस्ट्री डजंट चेंज, सो द कंपोजिशन डजंट चेंज, ठीक है? अगर मैंने सैंड को पिघला के मेल्ट करके लिक्विड सैंड बना दिया, इट इज स्टिल गोइंग टू बी सैंड ओनली, ठीक है? It is still going to be stand only. Okay. मैं अभी सिखाऊंगी दिशा, इन क्लास सिखाऊंगी मैं आपको, ठीक है? द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द सिस्टम रिमेन्स द सेम। दैट मीन्स अगर आप आयरन को, कोई बोल रहा था बीच में, पूछ रहा था कि वेदर इफ आई मेल्ट आयरन इज इट गोइंग टू बी अ फिजिकल चेंज और नॉट, यस, even molten iron is going to shine. Even molten iron is going to be a good conductor of electricity. Even molten iron is going to be a good conductor of heat, ठीक है? तो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अपना पूरा रिटेन करते हैं। The change is usually temporary, not always. It is usually temporary and can be reversed in most of the cases, ठीक है? Usually if you put temperature, pressure या किसी टाइप का फोर्स, तो आप उसको रिवर्स कर सकते हो। अंडरस्टूड? सब ना? एवरीबडी स्पैमिंग इन द चैट बॉक्स। फिर क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, आप आंसर नहीं करोगे, ठीक है? स्पैम में अभी 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 बताऊंगी आप लोगों को, ठीक है? दो पेपर लेके आइए बस, ब्रिंग टू पेपर्स, ठीक है? मैं आपको अभी ट्रिक बताऊंगी। देयर मे बी अ चेंज इन द शेप साइज, ठीक है? And this is very important. Everybody, please pay attention. There may or may not be any exchange of energy during physical change. अगर physical change हो रहा है, there can be, exchange of energy. There might not be exchange of energy. Okay? Understood? हाँ, अभी मैं क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ सबसे, अभी क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ सबसे। चलिए, 10 minutes, 10 seconds to read and 10 seconds to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the poll starts now. And the poll starts now. Good, very good. 10 seconds and the time is up. Okay. Dutikant is first, second is Pranjali, third is Soham. Congratulations. Ramneet, seventh is Ayush, eighth is Rudransh, ninth is Om, and 10th is Sai Pratyasha. Congratulations. So the right answer to this question is C. No new substance are formed in a physical change. All right. Next question, you are only going to get 5 seconds to read. Only 5 seconds to read, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and the time is up. All right, let's see. First is Sai, second is Prajan. It's Shai Ashish, second is Priyanjali, third is Sai Pratisha, fourth we have Om, fifth we have Daksha, sixth we have Shaurya, seventh we have Mahi, eighth we have Ashi, ninth we have Bhavya, and 10th we have Swatesha. Congratulations. All right, so the right answer to this question is the composition remains same. Again, I am going to give 5 seconds. Everyone, 5 seconds for the next as well. The next one as well. 5 seconds. Yes, 5 seconds. All right. चलो 7 seconds I'll give. 7. Okay. कोई बोल रहा है मैम 10. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the time starts now. 10 seconds only to answer this. 10 seconds only to answer this. Very good. And your time is up. All right. First is Dutikan, second is Swadesha, third is Soham. Congratulations. Fourth में प्रियांजलि, fifth में रुद्रांश, sixth में we have आर्यव्रत, seventh में we have Om, eighth में we have Aditya, ninth में we have Shaurya, and 10th में we have Brinda De. Congratulations. All right, so the right answer is C. Melting of ice is the only change which is physical in nature here. Baki sare are chemical in nature. How many polls did we do? How many polls did we do? 9. 9. Shall we do the last one? Shall we do the last one? And then I'm going to teach you how to do the magic. Shall we? All right. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Uske baad, I'm going to take anybody who wants to come on stage. I'm going to take them on stage. All right. Okay. All right. Next one. And the time starts now. 7 seconds. 1, 2. ये वाला ना आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों को नहीं आएगा बिकॉज मैं जब बोल रही थी ना सब स्पैम कर रहे थे चैट बॉक्स. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the time starts now. I knew ये बहुत लोगों को नहीं आएगा. And your 10 seconds is up. All right, let's see. First is Priyanjali, second is Sai Pratisha, third is Sai Ashish. Congratulations. Fourth is Ayush, fifth is Lakshya, sixth is Aryavrat, seventh is Navika, eighth is Ashi, eighth is Ashi, ninth is Medhansh, and 10th is Virat. Congratulations. The right answer is both A and C. You apply temperature or pressure, change temperature or pressure, or you apply force. इससे reversible हो सकता है. Okay? Done? Easy? Now I'm going to show you this, everyone. Somebody told me chromatography is not going to work. I'll show you how chromatography is working. Can you see some distinct, this was blue by the way. Can you see some distinct color? Can you see the pink color? The purple? Yes. Right? I don't know, you are not able to see it, but there is pink as well. And if you see here, right at the edges, there is light blue as well. Light blue color as well. Yes. Yes, see, the colors have separated out. Okay. So today's activity is you will have to send me a video of this chromatography. All right. Okay. All right. Now I am going to show you how to do this magic. And after that, I am going to take everybody who is on stage. If you want to leave and you don't want to stay for the magic, I would request you to please rate the class. If you like the class, please rate it with 5 stars. If you really like the class, you can actually leave good comments. Okay? Leaders board. Okay, let us go for the leaders board ek baar. Dutikant is first, second is Sai, third is Sai Ashish, third is Sai Pratisha. Congratulations. Fourth में है Grantik, fifth में we have Khwaish, sixth में we have Anshika, seventh में Yaj, eighth में we have Rajanya, ninth में we have Midhansh, and 10th में we have Antrip. Congratulations. Alright. Okay, are we ready for magic? Yes? ओके, नाउ क्या हुआ यहाँ, किसी ने बड़ा सा ओके शिक्षा, दिस टाइम आई विल डू इट, ठीक है। एक्चुअली मैंने बनाई थी वीडियो, बट आई डेंट फील लाइक सेंडिंग इट बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट। ओके, चलो। First, you take a paper and crumble it like this. Okay, take a paper and crumble it like this. All right, and take some glue. Okay, and what you have to do is thoda sa glue lena hai. Oh, this is what happens when you take a lot of glue. All right, and put some glue here and take the other paper और इसको यहाँ नीचे के साइड, ओके, नीचे के साइड ऐसे चिपका देना है हमें। चिपका दिया सबने? यस, वी हैव टू जस्ट स्टिक इट ऐसे करके पीछे। ऑलराइट, ओके, नाउ ओके, ये हो गया, कोई पीछे नहीं देख रहा है। नाउ यू क्रम्बल द पेपर वेरी जेंटली, रिवर्स इट, ऑलराइट, एंड देन your brand new paper. Okay, got it? All right, okay. इसमें चीटिंग क्या है? इनफैक्ट एवरी मैजिक इज चीटिंग ओनली। Okay, all right, okay, okay. I didn't say it's irreversible. मैंने कहा ये irreversible is okay. Sorry, ये irreversible इसलिए है because once you tear the paper, you cannot put it back as a whole paper. That is why it is irreversible, but it is a physical change. Okay, Sai Pratisha. All right. Okay, everyone. So with that, we are going to wrap up with our class today. Anybody who has any doubt or want to say something can raise their hand. I'll be taking them on stage. Others who do not have any doubt and want to leave and have their dinner and sleep, please attend the session quality poll. If you like this class, give 5 stars, and if you really like this class, give good comments. All right. Okay, if you have a doubt, please raise your hands. Melting ashi is physical, burning is chemical. Okay. All right, let's see. Aditya Saxena. Aditya Saxena, can you come on stage? Okay. Swarangi. Swarangi, Aditya Saxena.